Every achievement is not an end, but a beginning of a new journey. Every dream shapes our destiny. It helps us to be the people we want to be. It helps us to see the infinite possibilities and vision that grows into an outstanding reality. We at Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited enhance the quality of life by building major infrastructures. Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited has put innovation to work in constructions of complex buildings in India and across the world. Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited has emerged as one of the leading contractors in construction and infrastructure development history of India. Our operations are fully integrated from innovation to fact, from dream to design, from imagination to realities. Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited has started commencing its operations since 1969, and within a decade, we were incorporated as a private limited company. By the year 1990, we had grown as a public limited company and was also graded with ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015 EMS and OHSAS 18001-2007 certifications. 2007 was the year when we were listed in Bombay Stock Exchange, and in 2009 we became a part of National Stock Exchange. Nowadays, we at Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited has become the benchmark for our client satisfactions with a regular manpower of more than 2,000 plus employees, 950 engineers and more than 30,000 workers working across the country. We are having our best machinery strength with 115 plus tower mobile and hydro cranes, 175 plus batching plants, boom placers, concrete pumps, load excavators and similar others. We have successfully completed several mega projects in India, including Mumbai Metro, Commonwealth Game Village, Hotel Grand Hyatt, New Delhi, ITC Grand Central, Mumbai, Chief Minister's Secretariat, New Delhi, Goa Legislative Assembly, MET, SEBI, Mumbai, Ranbaxy Group, Gurgaon, Fortis, New Delhi, Tata Medical Center, Kolkata, AIIMS Trauma Center, Delhi Metro, along with Bihar Police Headquarters, which is based on LRV system, and several similar mega structures in India. We are expertise in all kind of buildings and infrastructures, turnkey projects like residential, commercial, industrial and institutional buildings, hospitals, hotels and airports in India and across the world. Initially, an imagination came into the mind of Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, Sri Nitish Kumar, for a world-class public building for conventional activities, resulting which the foundation of Samrat Ashoka Convention Kendra was led. Just at the armpit of historic Gandhi Maidan and the bank of holy river Ganga, now attaining the glory of New Bihar, under the proper guidance of Mr. Bikramajit Ahluwalia and Mr. Shobhit Uppal, with persistent supervision of Mr. Bharat Srivastava, we constructed Samrat Ashoka Convention Kendra in Patna, having a land acquisition of more than 18 acres and a proposed budget of 490 crores. Samrat Ashoka Convention Kendra was built in a limited given time period, which was inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Bihar, Sri Nitish Kumar, on 2nd of October 2017. The prestigious, ambitious and unique project of Bihar was planned by the Building Construction Department for organizing official and national indoor functions, institutional deliberations, and other large gatherings related to social and educational activities of public importance. The project consists of two centrally air-conditioned buildings called Gyan Bhavan and Bapu Sabhagar, constructed with 21,525 metric ton pre-engineered structural steel, with some additional structures called Sabhyata Dwar, along with food court, service building and others. The Bapu Sabhagar is a B+G+3 storied centrally air-conditioned building built up of structural steel over RCC pile foundation and covered with imported aluminium roofing system. It has an auditorium with sitting capacity of 5,000 people for any type of event or convention and is the largest in this part of the world. The Gyan Bhavan consists of an auditorium of sitting capacity of 800 people, a multi-purpose hall of 2,600 square meter, 10 number of small and big conference rooms, office kiosk, coffee house and a VIP lounge. Both the buildings are interconnected with a steel fabricated corridor at the second floor and have a combined basement adequate for car parking facilities for more than 450 cars at a time. The Sabhyata Dwar is a 34-meter high gate structure more than height of the Gateway of India, which carries the symbol of profound history of glorious Patliputra, holding a symbol of Ashoka Stambh at its top. It is a complete RCC structure on pile foundation, finished with some stone cladding and carving on the exterior surface to beautify its look. Samrat Ashok Convention Kendra is made up with 2,377 number of RCC piles, after which pile capping process started with foundation bolt of dia 16 to 50 mm. The project required fabrication and installation of 22,000 metric ton steel, procured from sale of maximum thickness up to 75 mm plate, which was a big challenge for the company. In views of easy installation of the huge and heavy columns and beams, their fabrications could be performed on the site itself in the required shapes and size, with the help of latest computerized fabrication machines like CNC machine, straightening machine, fit-up machine and saw machine. Further, it is followed with the work of deck sheeting over beams, which consist of multi-steel floor deck sheet panels having special embossment rolled into the profile, creating high bond between concrete floor and beam. After erection of the skeleton of columns and beams, structures for roof sheeting were made up of 6 number of tubular trusses for Bapu Sabhagar. All tubular trusses were bent and aligned on the site itself with steel tubes of maximum dia 300 mm. After this roof sheeting was done, with the aluminium roof sheet holding a self-supported secret fixed standing roofing system and a vapor control layer of double-sided aluminium foil and polyethylene film. The auditorium part is specially finished with acoustical wall of different materials like stage fabric, veneer wood, sound soak panel, perforated gypsum and equipped with a modern pushback chairs. There is a separate building for services accommodating different equipments consisting of DG gensets, standby power supply with its chimney, transformer, cooling towers, ST panels, LT panels, HVAC equipments along with primary and secondary pumps and chillers. The building is under control of world-class surveillance system and has its own management system to control all the equipments of both the building automatically. We always focus on quality standards and safety. Apart from all this, considering the point of natural imbalance and environmental care, Samrat Ashok Convention Kendra have 13 number of rainwater harvesting system which includes RCC and brickwork constructions with 3-meter depth in and around the premise to clear the stormwater problem at the time of heavy rains. There is another building for catering facilities named as food court. Considering safety and hygiene point of view, it has separate food court system beyond the campus, which is interconnected through an underground 90-meter tunnel. Samrat Ashok Convention Kendra is now hosting all the mega events and celebrations of Bihar, including visits of several VIPs like the President of India Sri Ramnath Kovind, Sri Lal Krishna Advani, Srimati Sumitra Mahajan and others. Enormous cultural and social activities, public gatherings, corporate events are glorifying the ambience of Bihar today. Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited was glorified by the Honorable CM of Bihar, Sri Nitish Kumar, by awarding the Appreciation Certificate for their excellence, execution and marvelous finishing of Samrat Ashok Convention Kendra. And this building has been awarded as the 10th CIDC Vishwakarma Award for the best construction project in the country during the year. Ahluwalia Contracts India Limited has delivered its best and the biggest auditorium to the people and government of Bihar.